Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Today, I'm happy to share with each one of you that we are relaunching our website, Youth Startup Network, and it will be completely operational and ready by the end of this month, and it will hit the international market. There are many features in this website. The most important feature is that we are going to host a community on our Youth Startup Network. So, all of you, all the students who have been working with us in the past can now also become a part of our community online. To start with and to celebrate this relaunch, we are starting with another challenge. It's called Real Time Business Challenge. In this Real Time Business Challenge, we are trying to bring industry people closer to each one of you students so that you understand actual business problems and you get a chance to solve them using this challenge. So on 21st of December, we will have the launch of this business challenge. And along with that, as a precursor to the challenge, to understand about the industry of the challenge this time and to get to know the founders and the industry experts, we have a webinar which will be on Facebook Live. And here we are going to talk about shared economy and co-working spaces, co-working office spaces. So industry people from there will come and talk about the industry on Sunday, December 20. And December 21, there will be a launch of problem statement and you will have time to actually solve that problem statement for the founder. So you are going to work actually like a co-founder with that founder and solve that business challenge. Now to register for this, I will be sharing a link with each one of you. You go to that link, and as you go to that link, you will have a button on the right hand side which says login. So first please create a login and then you book your slot for the business challenge as well as the webinar. Once you have logged in, it is a special feature that we have introduced. This login is going to be your login for the community as well. So as a free member of our website, as a free user of our website, you will get access to various content, webinars and various other things we will do in the future. And all of this will be available to you because of this login that you are going to create. And this login will be coming in handy for you in the future as well. Along with that, we have our paid membership also. So these paid members who are actually the pillars of our YSN community, they get a special chance or special access in this event also. So all the paid members, you will get a chance to actually have a one-to-one conversation with the founder and the industry expert on Sunday after the webinar, and they will be chatting with you specifically talking about the problem and what all challenges that they are facing. So this is an exclusive conversation that is only meant for paid members of the community, whereas all the free members get access to all our events and competitions in due course of time. So friends, remember that as a first step, you can come over and register yourself, log in yourself on the portal and become a member, a free member of the community. And it is not just for you, you have been a student of Global Ideas Pitch Challenge, or you could have been a student of the EMC bootcamp that we did, or anybody else, as we have interacted with many students over this time. All of you are welcome to come, and you can bring together all your friends and colleagues as well, other students as well. So everybody is invited. You don't need to just be one of our member students. If you are part of EMC, all your friends who are maybe part of other boot camps, and all of your friends who wanted to do something but were not able to get into the EMC bootcamp, you can invite them to register at the portal. Just log in, create their login at the portal, and then become a part of the community. So everyone is invited, and I hope to see each one of you becoming a part of this community and actually giving a shot at the business challenge as well. See you around. Thank you.